Hey gang, it's me, Karen, here right now, and I want to show you a new product that I got from Amazon, and it is these cute little swatching discs. And here, let me show you what the listing on Amazon looks like. Woo, sorry for that flash glare, but they are intended to be put on the tops of your bottles, right here. They come with 240 of these little discs in the packaging, and they come with adhesive discs to put on. Oh, looks like they missed me one here. Doggone it. Oh well. Anyway, so I just got these the other day, and I painted a couple, and I decided that I had to show these to you. I have so many bottles of polishes that are my own, and they all look the same, and so in order for me to differentiate them, I was putting like a mark at the top of each of the bottles so that I know that it is mine and that it's not for resale. But now I'm going to put these because I store them in boxes, and those ladies that store their polishes in Helmers, these will come in very handy. I know a lot of people have done cabochons with the underside polished, and then you stick it also to the top of your bottles, but and I did that for a while, but I found them kind of cumbersome to use. So I'm really excited about these. So I'm going to put one of these on. I did this polish, and let's get a sticker. Let's get this one that's already coming off. I'm going to assume I'm supposed to put that down and then peel off the, where is the, here we go. There we go. So it looks like that. And let's snap this off. And put it on. There we go. I like it. It's pretty strong. Let's do another one. By the way, this one is going to be in a fall collection. It's called Bosco Nova. Do you know what Bosco is? It's what chocolate milk was called back in the 50s. I think maybe even in the 60s too. Anyway, so let's do another one. Sitting on here is Valentine Voodoo. There were no directions with these, by the way. There we go. Okay. Valentine Voodoo. Look at how pretty that is. Oh God, that's so pretty. If you didn't get it yet, I still have some bottles left. And there we go. So now when I'm looking in my boxes, or if you use a Helmer, you'll be able to see exactly what it is with much more ease. One more and then we're going to go. This doesn't need to be very long. It's pretty self-explanatory. Did you happen to see, I'm not sure if my screenshot of the Amazon store showed you how much it is. There were $7.99 for 240 of these. And if you have Prime, it is a Prime item. All right, so this is Ice Bowl at Lambeau. And what's this one here? Okay. Press it down, and there we go. So, what do you think? I think these are kind of cool. Woohoo! Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a great day. Oh, hey, I forgot all this stuff. I'll put the information link down in the description box, and if you have any questions, shoot them in the comments. I hope you liked this video, found it helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and also you know, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Let them know that I'm here and that I have designs, helpful hints, nail care, things like that. So anyway, now I'm gonna go. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.